I'm so excited for all that pretty paper from Paper Source. It's actually National Craft Month, and to celebrate with Paper Source, they're doing a Craft Month challenge, and you can make whatever you want with the decorative paper that they have. The only issue with me is that their paper is so pretty. I feel like I don't want to waste it. And I always get like this when it's pretty paper or pretty stickers. I feel like I never use it. I just like store it and save it up. But I am going to use it because I'm going to take the challenge. I think I want to make something that has to do with paper flowers. I'm not really sure what yet, but they did have samples and they were saying maybe like a journal, maybe a stationery, a card. But they also did say you can make whatever you want. So I think I'm going to think about that for later. But I just got a paper portrait order that I need to work on, so I'm going to be working on that. They did give me a black and white wedding photo, so I'm not sure how I'm going to turn that into color, but I'm always willing to take the challenge. So I'm going to be working on that. I do have a full tutorial on how to make paper portraits. I'll be linking that below, but I'll also be walking you through it today. And then, yeah, later I'll get back to the whole Paper Source paper. I just finished my paper portrait order and I'm going to be shipping that out later today. And I got some happy mail from Kimley Park. This is an original Korean latte. I'm so excited to try it out. I am a fancy coffee drinker where I have a fancy coffee machine that I don't know how to use. My husband makes the coffee, but during the middle of the day when he's at work, I love a good Korean instant coffee, but the older I get, I feel like it makes me feel inflamed because of their creamer. But this is a vegan creamer, so I'm really excited to try it out. And I'll be linking all their information below the video, so make sure you check it out.